Everyone knows it's the biggest job you can do.
Masculinity without kind of aggression, a strength that just comes from a confidence, a freedom of spirit.
Hi guys, welcome to episode 4. Really excited to have Alisa Glutz here. She is the author of Color My Credit, and Alisa is probably credited to actually helping me write my book. So I really appreciate her being here today.
That's great.
And if you could, tell us a little bit about your story, Alisa.
Well, I've been doing mortgage lending for about 16 years, and around October 2015, I went through a pretty rough divorce. And being a mortgage lender and starting over kind of in my own life, I got to build up some compassion for other people that might be starting over or reestablishing or just coming out of the housing crisis in general and trying to figure out what steps they need to take to start over in life and start a new credit report. Credit repair has been the only thing really available to us as far as sending clients there that didn't qualify for a house. And I wasn't a fan of it. I saw that no matter what they did to delete, dispute, get rid of things on the credit, it wasn't going to make things appear on the credit that were the good stuff. So I thought if I could create an industry, write this book and create a path for people to take.
Well, you know, one thing we always joke about, I don't know if you joke about this with your girlfriends, but guys and girls, we always talk about dating someone with a bad FICO. Yeah. Like I won't touch someone with a 10-foot pole if they have a bad credit score. But what people don't realize is majority of men and women don't have great credit scores. Mm-hmm. And so for those listening in that may have been through or don't know about credit and how important it is to building a business, to buying a home, to building your financial future, can you give them like 2 tips they can implement today?
Yeah.
To give them great credit?
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, really, just even landlords and renting a place and getting an insurance and getting a job, it's all really tied to credit anymore. So one thing, if you don't have a credit card that's open, that's reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, you need one. I can give you a couple of places that you can go that will not even run your credit to give you a credit card. But that's almost 40% of your score is making sure you have a credit card reporting. Then the key is to know what day they report your balance. It's not about using the credit card at free will and then paying it off in full every month and thinking you're doing a good job. You have to know the day the credit card company is reporting your balance. It's one time a month, and it's usually right around that statement closing date. So the day they're printing your statement to mail off to you. If you can get ahead of that and make sure that the balance that's reported to the 3 credit bureaus from the credit card company is about $20, then you're gonna be on the best track, at the fastest track to getting the best credit score. That's awesome.
Well, we really appreciate that information because I mean, so many people are in the dark, even wealthy people, about the importance of credit and how to get a great credit score. So thank you for coming on.
Thank you for having me.
We really appreciate you and what you do. And you check out her book too, Color My Credit. It's a great book.
Thank you.
Thank you.